Circle. Okay, ready? Camera, action. Draw a circle. Yours, the 30 by 60. 1330 yan. Kahit sukatin nyo dito sa blackboard. Kasi yung may kodigo ako. Ayan o, nakita nyo? Kita nyo yan? Can you see that line? O yan, can you see that? That's 30 degrees. Kala nyo, galing ng triangle ko, walang T-square. Ha? Ayun o, may guide ako o. May guide. O, may guide ako. Ayan o. Yan. Kita nyo, yan yung sinasabi. Secrets of the trade. Hindi alam ng ibang professor yan. Siya kung nagawa ng mga line na yan. Ano, vertical line. Gumawa ko ng vertical line. Ang galing, sir. Diba? Dapat may mga tricks kayo. 30 degrees. Yan. Tinitingnan ko lang yan, para talagang nakakabilib. Galing talaga. Ha! Kahit saan gawin yan. Ayan o, may 30 o. Kahit anong gawin natin yan. Ayan o, mayroon o. Parallel o. Kita nyo. Yan. Yan, ginaamin ko sa inyo. Kasi sobrang bilib nyo sa akin eh. Si Sir pala, may sekreto eh. Hirap yung super bilib kayo sa akin. Ha? May sekreto. Yun. Ngayon, bisect. 90. 60. Yan. Bisect. Sinimulan mo dyan. Ganyan. Yan. Bisect. Bisect. And then, horizontal. This is the reference. This one. Okay. We will draw the small arcs first. Only one radius for all. These points of bisect are the midpoints, are the points that will tell you where to begin and where to end the arc. Then the bigger arc. Okay. There. Same radius. There. There. Okay. Here it will be like that. If you are very precise in your drawing, you will have only two measurements, adjustment for the compass. One for the small, one for the big. Pag nagkaiba-iba, there are some errors. Okay, that's the end of that story.